XLM is currently down almost 10% on the 7-day, but I'm here to tell you that this should not scare you. This should, in fact, excite you because this is an opportunity to stack more XLM before a parabolic move to the upside. I'm going to show you a chart. I'm going to tease you a chart. And on this chart, on the daily, these Bollinger Bands are starting to get very, very tight. What does that mean? That means a big move and volatility is coming. And I'm going to tell you exactly, is it going to break to the upside or going to break to the downside with probability? We'll talk about that in this video. So if you're a fan of XLM, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started really quick. It's going to be a quick one because I want to give you guys an up-to-date information, right? We have a lot of subscribers from the XLM community. We know you're looking for more XLM content. You're going to find it right here on this channel. So make sure, again, that you're subscribed. We take a look at RWA.XYZ, some metrics here on the network. So we talk about XLM being a very, very strong RWA play, and there's a reason for that. They rank number 2 with a current asset count of 9 RWAs. The market share overwhelmingly sits with ETH, but second, you're looking at XLM, which is almost 2 times the size of the next one, which is going to be Polygon, 1,734 holders, which is up around 10% over the last 24 hours. Over the last 30 days. We take a look at the stablecoin market cap. That is up 72% over the last 30 days. Now, of course, stablecoin and payment, this is something that XLM is known for. This is their bread and butter. Although their stablecoin market cap share, their market share is quite low. We take a look at their holders. That is up another 20% over the next 30 days or the last 30 days. We know the RWA narrative, the payment narrative is here to stay. And it's going to continue to grow. But we know the RWA narrative continues to pick up steam as more and more of these financial giants and people like BlackRock and Larry Fink continue to tell people this is a multi-trillion-dollar asset class. This is a multi-trillion-dollar potential, right? Opportunity. And Stellar Lumens sits at the number 2 spot with all their connections, with everything they do globally, cheap, fast, perfect for payments, perfect for tokenization. We're excited to see what that brings. I also want to show some stats from Token Terminal. This is XLM. I got 2 things plotted on the chart on the bottom here. Number 1 in green is going to be your core developers. That has an uptick, up 6.5% over the last 30 days. These people are building on the network. And also in blue, you have the market cap. Now, of course, that is down, but it is still up over the last 30 days. Market cap circulating is up 284%. Fully diluted is up 281%. Again, this is over a 30-day period. Fees continue to rise over the last 30 days, up almost 1,000%. So 10x on the amount of fees. And so everything is green from a financial or a fundamental standpoint for XLM. Now I want to get back to the chart here. So I showed you this chart on the daily. Bollinger Bands, very tight. Now we got to figure out, all right, we're going up or we're going down? Let's zoom out to the 4-hour. I'm going to do a couple things. I'm going to take a look at where the money flow is, and I'm going to expand this out so you can see. We're seeing a little bit of a discrepancy between our our sentiment for price and also for the money flows. Money flow has been green since Monday of this month, but we have the price sentiment has been going up. So people are bullish on XLM, although the money flow has been red. Something is going to give, and I think it's going to give to the upside. Now, I want to throw on an indicator that I've used multiple times that I think is a great way to figure out, hey, where's the trend going? Where are we going, right? It's called the Ichimoku cloud. You have a few things going on here. So at initial view, right, you take a look at this, like, all right, this thing is in a downtrend, obviously, right? The cloud is red, not good. Price is trading below the cloud, also not good. But there is something that just happened on this chart, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to zoom in. We've had a crossover. The blue line is your conversion line, and the red line is your 26-day moving average. And so when our when our conversion line crosses above the baseline, that is typically the first indication of a reversal, of course, to the upside, right? You take a look at where were these lines when XLM had a massive rally, right? You take a look here. When did these lines cross? We got to go all the way back, right? And you can see here, as I'm zooming out, our conversion line, here we go, right here. Bam. This was back on Tuesday, November 5th, and XLM's price was right around 9 cents. We had a flip of our conversion line. The blue line flipped the red, and we started seeing price accumulation. Throughout the entire way up, our conversion line remained above our baseline, which is what you want to see for follow through. And you can see it all the way here. And we take a look at when did these flip? When did they flip? They flipped back on Tuesday, November 26th. Price started to accumulate. Price started to chop sideways as I zoom out. And then we started to spill off. Well, guess what? We just flipped again. Conversion line just flipped the baseline. Very bullish. Now, on the way up, we should see some immediate resistance right at 49.8 cents, as that is the upper end of our cloud, the bottom end of our cloud. As you can see here, going back to Saturday, December 7th, we did wick into the cloud, but got rejected and traded below. Now, what we are seeing, which is another bullish indication, is the thickness of the cloud is starting to dwindle, meaning a potential flippening is happening. It's going to happen. We do need to see a few more things happen. We need to see price cross into our cloud and eventually overtake it and start trading above. And this is more of a lagging indicator. The conversion baseline is more of a leading indicator. And so looking at the leading indicators, again, going out to the daily, showing you the Bollinger Bands, there is a big move coming. I am telling you, there is a big move coming. You can go back and look how tight these bands were, and the price just absolutely skyrocketed. We're entering into that same territory. And so, is this guaranteed going to happen? Of course not. Trading and technical analysis is all about probabilities. But probabilities show that we should see a price move to the upside. The first target you're going to be looking at is around 49.50 cents. If we break above and we build some support on top of that cloud and on top of that 50-cent level, I think we're headed straight to $1. We hope you enjoy the XLM content. If you like XLM, we have an entire playlist curated for you on this channel. Go check it out. And also check out our live show Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.